In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on especially when future while examining Winklink cost figure for 2022 and past amazingly. If it's not too much trouble, really remember that you ought to believe this and any extremely other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, entirely alone anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Winklink. Incredibly, presently, we should head into it, which is genuinely huge. Before we dive profound into the Winklink value expectation and answer questions if really win is a wise venture or not, for what reason will basically win explicitly succeed or in every practical sense, fizzle, or for what reason will Winklink value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what generally is win and its to-date history in an unpretentious manner. Win price prediction for the fundamentally next 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin explicitly has drooped half from its unequaled extremely high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers in a real sense are selling dangerous resources and moving into considerably more most certainly stable business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Crypto, in every practical sense, is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous truly play and consequently the auction in a significant manner. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the by and large second piece of the year. This in a real sense is basically reflected in our 2022 forecasts, which explicitly is very huge. At the present time, Bitcoin explicitly needs to find a sort of nearby base before we can move in the very inverse bearing and fundamentally alter the course, which generally is genuinely huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to for the most part do likewise. We really have seen this situation many in a real sense times in the removed and later history in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation model is negative for the genuinely next 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We really anticipate whales and other sort of greater players in the market to fundamentally wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each venture in a quite enormous manner. Essentials that we fundamentally assess for the most part are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative by and large potential, and a few fundamentally other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab in an unobtrusive way. Winklink price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will commonly endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We certainly see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. Win price prediction 2025, which is genuinely huge. Our forecast model sees truly win coming to $0.0002 in 2025, which truly is very huge. What will by and large win generally be worth in 5 years, which for the most part is very huge. The cost of in every way that really matters, win in 5 years could sort of lie around $0.0002 in an unpretentious manner. Winklink coin price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Winklink will fundamentally be truly worth in 2030. Our Gwaging model sees Winklink coming to $0.0005 in 2030 in a very significant manner. What Winklink will be in every practical sense, worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Winklink coming to $0.0011 in 2040. Will Winklink really supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin, which is very huge? No, Winklink won't supplant or truly surpass BTC in an unpretentious manner. Might Winklink at any point reach 10 cents in an exceptionally significant manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Winklink to reach 10 cents in the short or midterm period. Amazingly, could Winklink at any point reach $1, or so they basically thought. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Winklink to explicitly reach $1 in the kind of short or midterm period, which really is very critical. Is Winklink truly worth purchasing, which truly is genuinely critical? We generally are backers of respectably unsafe money management, explicitly contribute the greater part of actually your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Winklink basically is certainly worth purchasing in an unpretentious manner. Is Winklink an essentially wise venture, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking? Winklink is, very much like all very other digital currencies, an unsafe speculation, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. It has sort of higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, certainly dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How much will Winklink basically be worth, in opposition to prevalent thinking? For the extremely momentary future, it could generally reach $0.0001, which for the most part is very critical. In every way that really matters, long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.0005 or even a lot higher in a sort of significant manner. For what reason will Winklink really succeed and in a real sense get more expensive? Winklink in every practical sense, has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, beautiful dynamic local area and a genuinely strong group behind it, or so they by and large thought. These sort of aren't essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Winklink ascending to $0.0005 in 2030, which is very critical. For what reason will Winklink basically fizzle and drop in cost, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking? Crypto projects, all things considered, fall flat in light of multiple factors, which certainly is very critical. Probably the most genuinely normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers fundamentally proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, genuinely more effective contenders, absence of all-around plan showcasing technique, losing local area support, genuinely possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected genuinely least development action on the convention, neglecting to truly draw on new engineers to expand on their foundation. Basically, how high will Winklink sort of go in an unobtrusive manner? Our determining model sees Winklink value detonating and coming to $0.0011 in the far-off future in an unobtrusive manner. What is the momentary expectation for Winklink?